Hey friends, let us turn this bag into a corset. So I really loved this duffle bag. It was giving that Louis Vuitton duffel bag vibe. So I started by drafting out a corset pattern using my already drafted bodice block. Oh no, don't you worry, I'm still going to give you a detailed corset pattern making when I use a real fabric. Not that this one is not, but you know what I mean. So I started by tracing my bodice block, making sure to include the bust and the waist dots as well. After that was done, I had to extend my waist since this was a Regalia Suspiria corset style. This is an overbust inverted, up-curved top line, straight back line, curved hem, and pointed bone channels corset style. After the pattern making is done, it is time to get into the bag. Now can I just say, ripping the bag was oddly satisfying but daunting at the same time.
What?
As you can see, I carefully removed the zip from the bag as I was still going to use it as the fastening of my corsets. Alrighty, time to cut our pattern. Remember, we have to cut everything 2 times, and since this was a bag, I really had to maneuver for precise placement. Okay, this is all our cut corset pieces nicely laid out and ready to be sewn. The sewing method is exactly as how our pattern pieces were laid out. I also kept the bag hardware to be used as ornaments for my corsets. And then it was time for sewing. As mentioned earlier, the bag hardware came in handy when it came to giving my corsets a bit of design and personality. And then I used this backboning for corset stiffening.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, what is boning? Boning is the material used to add structure to bags and other garments. Boning can be made from plastic, metal, or other materials. In corsetry, boning refers to the flexible or rigid strips used to reinforce and shape the garment. As you can tell, my corset already has a shape and structure before I even wear it. Boning is like the corset's skeleton. It shapes and structures your garment, almost like how humans have a skeleton for shape and structure. Pun intended, as I am wearing a skirt with a skull on it. By the way, this is custom Portia. If you do not know this brand, please check it out on Instagram. I must say, this look is giving steampunk. It's giving I'm ready to assist my husband on whatever mission that is on. As for my accessories, we've got this ring from Sinethemba. Neck piece is DIY. It's giving Portia. Earrings, we got Versace dupes. Hope you had fun watching this as much as I did making it. Angel kisses. Bye. Oh, please like and subscribe.